In this video, we will review the draft element for environmental quality, sustainability, and hazard mitigation. Each plan element is centered around a particular topic, but all are interconnected. Be sure to review the plan introductory video and any other element videos that interest you. We will now discuss the purpose and context of the environmental quality, sustainability, and hazard mitigation element. The purpose is to explore the quality of Covington's environment and utilize means of maintaining and improving the environmental quality. Environmental quality describes the land cover, watersheds, landscaping, tree preservation, and other environmental elements that are subject to stress and depletion from human impact. In the future, we hope to base policy decisions on principles of sustainability, harden key facilities against natural and man-made hazards, enable governing and public services to bounce back by using principles of resiliency. Now we will review some of the maps we have focused on in the environmental quality, sustainability, and hazard mitigation element. The first map shows tree cover. There is less tree cover in the more densely populated sections of Covington. The next map shows flood zones and flood loss. It is clear that there is a higher repetitive loss in flood zone A. Lastly, concrete corrosion is the likelihood that concrete will corrode and fail in that area. It is directly related to the drainage and type of soils in that area. We will now analyze the environmental quality, sustainability, and hazard mitigation element. Residential development north of the city has been large subdivisions. Former agricultural lands have been filled and developed. This water is displaced onto other properties. As the rivers flow downstream, the toxins from across their watersheds are potentially harmful for use by plants, livestock, and the population. There are over 21 miles of drainage ditches, canals, and natural waterways that receive runoff in the city of Covington. Covington Code protects existing live oaks through tree protection measures. Significant points. Low-impact development and green infrastructure would improve communities by reducing flood risk and improving water quality. Goals of the environmental quality, sustainability, and hazard mitigation element. 1. Mitigate climate impacts. 2. Make the city of Covington more resilient and alleviate flood risk. 3. Enhance and protect water quality of rivers. Enhance awareness of the natural environment and threats to it. I will now review the main recommendations for this element. Know and share the current conditions and trends for air and water quality. Add an environmental quality widget to the city website that includes air, water, and heat. Develop a City of Covington stormwater management plan. Modify development code to preserve existing natural environment, tree stands, and natural hydrology. Adopt cluster and conservation subdivision zoning. Explore requiring water quality impact studies for developments. Upgrade water level monitoring gauges on the area's rivers and streams in the city and in the parish. Use existing public land for green infrastructure demonstration projects. Government leads by example, and the private sector follows. Educate the public about water pollution sources. Upgrade subdivision and zoning ordinances. Organize annual water quality events with volunteers. Drain marking, trash removal, and storm drain cleaning. Create a shore stabilization plan for rivers and streams around the city of Covington. Develop environmental education programs at Bogafilaya Park. Thank you for your attention and interest in the Covington Comprehensive Plan 2030. If you have any constructive feedback for the plan's development, please reach out to the planning team. You can also view and submit comments on the draft elements through the project website. Thank you again.